Hello, so welcome back to my channel once again. So this is another trading strategy that I want to review for you guys. So I use this strategy to enter a trade just right now. Okay, you can see, and we are moving into massive profit. And I even post this in my Telegram group, both the VIP and the free channel. You can see it clearly from here. Sell gold now. Okay, this is the signal. Okay, so when we come to the MetaTrader right here, you just need to identify an area of value. So when I talk about area of value, is being support and resistance level, trend line, a third touch level, and then it can be a head and shoulder pattern level. So in this case, we have these accelerators around here. Okay, these are retest of this. So this particular zone here has become an area of value for us. So what do we have to do? So you just wait for your zigzag line. You can see this line here, the line straight here. Okay, and then move up straight here. It's an indicator. It's not made out draw it. It's an indicator. So I'll show you the settings of that indicator very soon. So as soon as this zigzag divert according to the direction of the area of value that you find, then you enter a trade. Okay, it's very simple like that. So when you look at this, okay, so this is a double top. Okay, this particular is a double top, and this particular area has become an area of value. So as soon as the zigzag turn to the direction of the two top or a double top, then you have to sell. Okay, you can see it massively, and your risk to reward should be 1:2 risk to reward. Okay, so that is for that one too. So let's check on another example. Good. So let's check for another proper example. So you can see here too, this level is a double bottom. Okay, a double bottom, and the zigzag here have pushed to the upside or show a move to the upside. So you have to enter a trade, so it will push to the upside like this. It's very simple. Okay, let's look for another buying opportunity. This is another buying opportunity, double bottom. Okay, double bottom, and this serves as an area of value, this particular place, and the zigzag, then we guide into the buying opportunity. So this strategy is very simple for beginners. Okay, it's very simple for beginners out there. Just have to practice it more, and then you become profitable. Okay, that is what I used to enter this trade, and the trade is moving massively into profit right here. Okay, you can see it clearly from here. So if you want to learn this strategy, this is very simple. You just have to go to your indicator button, which is the F icon in MetaTrader. Then you click on it. Then you click on zigzag, or to locate it for new people, you have to click on main window, and then you click on zigzag. Here is it, zigzag. So when you click on it, you set the period to 12, deviation to 5, back step should be 3, and then apply it to all time frame, and then level up should be blue, and then level down should be red. Okay, then you click on done. Okay, then you see this line on your chart. Now you can see we are moving into massive profit right here. It's very simple to go with, very simple to go with without any stress. So guys, this is what I have for you guys today. If you don't know about my channel is all about strategy. If you started trading and you don't know which strategy to use, this channel is for you. Make sure you subscribe and I reveal a lot of strategy. Yours is to do what? Pick one and master it, and it become your own strategy. And remember, this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not intended of any loss in cure. Make sure you seek your own financial advice before you start trading forex. Forex is a high risk business, okay? So make sure you seek a financial advice, and remember to test this strategy on the demo environment before you start trading it. Make sure you try it in your demo account before you start using it in the real market. With that being said, goodbye and see you tomorrow in my next update.